When your Hampton Bay ceiling fan's light works perfectly, but the motor won't spin, you're dealing with a specific type of electrical issue that has several common causes. The good news is that motor problems are actually rare with Hampton Bay fans. Instead, the issue usually stems from four main areas: power supply problems, remote control issues, loose wiring connections, or a failed capacitor. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, always start with the basics. Ensure the wall switch is in the on position, check that the circuit breaker hasn't tripped, and verify the fan is receiving power. Remote control problems are extremely common. Start by replacing the batteries and ensuring you're within 10 to 20 feet of the fan. Look for a red indicator light when pressing buttons. No light means the remote isn't sending a signal. If basic remote troubleshooting doesn't work, try repairing the remote. Cut power to the fan, restore it, then hold the power button on the remote for 20 seconds. This process reestablishes communication between the remote and receiver. If the remote control checks out, the issue likely involves the fan's internal electrical components. Loose wiring connections, a failed capacitor, or other internal parts may need attention. These require more detailed troubleshooting steps. Remember, motor failure is rare with Hampton Bay fans. By systematically checking power supply, remote control, and basic electrical components, you can identify the root cause and move forward with the appropriate fix. Before troubleshooting any ceiling fan motor issues, safety is paramount. Always turn off the power at the circuit breaker to prevent electrical shock. Remove the fan canopy to access the internal wiring connections. This dome-shaped cover protects the electrical connections and mounting hardware. Inspect all wiring connections for loose, disconnected, or damaged wires. Poor connections are a common cause of motor failure while lights continue to work. If wiring looks good, the capacitor is often the culprit. Listen for a humming sound when the fan is turned on. This indicates a faulty capacitor that needs replacement. Test if the fan blades turn freely by hand. If they feel stiff or don't rotate smoothly, the motor bearings may be worn and need replacement or lubrication. If you're uncomfortable working with electricity or suspect internal motor issues, consult a licensed electrician. Hampton Bay customer service is available at 855 HD Hampton for additional support.